How to make the most of Gmail in work. This article brings up a customer exhibit of what so many people already know. Google's Gmail is must-have for job seekers of student writers. It gives extensive advice on how this webmail can help you be more productive and efficient in work, with advice including how to use it in meetings, obtain a document before going home, and formatting different types of information which will transfer seamlessly between sides of your inbox. While Gmail is by no means the only service offered for a student, if it can give you more time and output, why not try it out? How to make the most of Gmail in work. Within study groups and meetings of organizations, often use email to distribute information. A person trying to figure out how to do their job will inevitably see that everyone else is using Gmail as the main way to share their work with others. These individuals who have been using this system for a little bit of time discovered the different ways that it can help with efficiency and productivity. Gmail has many convenient features. It allows you to work on your computer while in bed, read the news while doing chores, and share content with your family members. One way to take full advantage of these features is through email templates. Templates allow you to save information so that it can be reused in the future, saving rewriting time. You can also create Facebook banners in Gmail and collaborate with colleagues as well as contractors. Using Gmail can also help you take better control of email by categorizing emails for easy retrieval. The possibilities for such ways to organize your inbox with email subcategories are almost limitless. A simple concept like Google Organizing allows you to get the job done quickly and effectively, without wasting a lot of time on mundane tasks that can be accomplished with the right kind of tool. If the job cannot be handled with a single device, one at home, out at this shop or online, why set up the Gmail business calendar? One of the things people do in the regular course of their lives that really helps with productivity is setting aside a particular time for work. With Gmail, this can be accomplished without having to set up an email address dedicated to working because Gmail lets you easily send and receive emails from any Gmail account. With your business account set up, you'll be able to get these important emails sent to your company calendar. Then, when you're ready with following up on an assignment or project, it will appear on your day's agenda like other appointments. Tip number 8. Change the priority of Gmail emails optional. Before I get set off in my day, I like to check my email only once and have it come through at the top, or high priority for that moment in time. This way I can't look ahead and answer the important emails first, so that I'm not bothering others in their work with me. Some people prefer to check their email multiple times throughout the day. That's fine too. Whichever you motivating your employees to take it further, or GTF as it is also known, is a bot designed to encourage users to take action on emails. The company says that when people take action on these emails, they are less likely to bother sending follow-up emails and their productivity goes up. They have launched a demo of the tool and have identified that GTF's prompts may help with the email habit-breaking process. People can select a prompt from a list of options. Blog stats: 5,100 views in 28 days. If you want to make the most of Gmail, it's necessary to check your blog stats. Today, Networked Blogs was on a roll and had an entire 5,100 views for the day. This number is great considering how busy we've been. Some days we get as high as 30 views. I would recommend making sure that you have enough content to keep people inspired when they come to your site. Blog stats: 1,000 articles written by and used when starting out on a new project. It is often important to choose the type of communication methods that will be most successful. That is why it is crucial to have a good understanding of how email is being used within your company and to take note of when email marketing campaigns are most effective. It helps you maximize your time usage by taking into account analytics from the last 3 years.